Hello, my dear students of class 2. Welcome back. The second video of the third term syllabus. Subjects, Environmental Studies, Lesson 14, Traveling Time. Okay, and then these are the points. I have given point number 1 to point number 6. Okay, and then point number 1 is story of wind. Point number 2, means of transport. Point number 3, save petrol. Point number 4, causes of traffic jams. Point number 5, causes and prevention of air pollution. And then point number 6, causes and prevention of noise pollution. These are the points. Now, these are the points. Now we are going to learn about the story of winds. And then now, story of wind. Now, many years ago, everybody, you know what who are early men. I'm going to tell about the story of early men first. Okay, many years ago, early men used to travel on foot from one place to another. Okay, then he used animals like elephants for traveling. One day, what happened? Early man, he saw a wooden log roll. Okay, and then seeing the wooden log rolling freely, he got an idea of inventing of wheels. This is how the first wheel has been invented by early men. These are the story of wheel. Understood? And then now, we used different means of transport, say like buses, cars, scooters, trains, etc. And then they carry us from one place to another. And this is the story of a wheel. Understood? And then point number 2, means of transport. There are three means of transport. Number 1 is what? Land transport. Number 2, water transport. Number 3, air transport. Now just see what is called a land transport. Now, vehicles like cars, buses, trucks, train, which run on land, road or tracks, they are called what? Land transport. Okay, and then the number 2, water transport. What are called water transport? Now, say like boats, steamers, and then ship. They sails on water, and then they are called water transport. It is the oldest means of transport. Okay, and then number 3, air transport. Air transport is the costliest and the fastest means of transport. It fly in the air, and then for example like helicopter, aeroplane, etc. Understood? And then now next point number 3, what is one? Save petrol. You can see from the page 107. And then now, how can we save petrol? Now just see, we can save petrol from the we can save petrol from the following ways. Say like number 1, plan your journey well. Number 2, service your car regularly. Number 3, travel at a regular speed. Number 4, switch off your vehicle when the traffic light is red. And then if you want to see, you can see from the page 107, the save petrol. How to save petrol while we are traveling. Okay. And then point number 4, causes of traffic jams. You can see from the page 108. Now just see what are the causes. What are the causes of traffic jams on the road? There are 5 points. Point number 1 is what? Accident on the road. Point number 2, construction work. Point number 3, bad weather. Point number 4, too much traffic. Point number 5, snow or rain. These are the causes of traffic jams. You can see from the page 108. Understood? And then point number 5. What are the point number 5? Causes and prevention of air pollution. And then what are the causes of air pollution? There are many causes of air pollution, say like smoke from vehicles, trucks, jeep, etc. And then how can we prevent the air pollution? So say like we can prevent the air pollution by using CNG, solar energy, and the use of battery operated vehicles. These are the causes and prevention of air pollution. And the last point number 6, causes and prevention of noise pollution. And then now, what is the causes of noise pollution? Noise pollution is caused by honking horns in cars, buses, loudspeakers, and crackers, etc. Then how can we prevent the noise pollution? Say like noise pollution can be prevented. There are many ways how to prevent the noise pollution. Okay, then point number 1 is what? We can shut our doors and windows when using noise machines or sounds. And then point number 2, stay away from the noisy areas. And then point number 3, planting more trees at schools, roadsides, etc. because trees are great absorbers of sounds. That's all for today. Thank you.